Oh my God.
Ho, 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 ho.
Okay, so we had a chef come for my birthday.
Hello.
And he's cooking us a birthday meal, which I'm so excited. There's lamb in here, is that what you said?
Lamb, spinach pie, moussaka.
Oh.
Right.
Yum, yum,
Now
yum,
making
yum.
Greek salads.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Some thyme.
It looks
Basil.
beautiful. Everything looks so fresh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, colorful, huh?
Yes, very colorful. Yum. Okay, what do we have here, Chef M?
Yeah, okay, yo,
Chef
listen up. Here, this is the tzatziki.
Tzatziki. Okay.
This is the classic tzatziki, you know?
I was gonna say, yeah, because I feel like we've had some different ones, which were really good. Like ones with carrots and like
okay.
which we liked it. But we also, yes.
You're gonna taste this.
Yes.
You're gonna say to me.
We're gonna love it.
If you love it. It's green not because of the cucumber, because of the olive oil.
Really?
Yeah, this is why it's this color.
Oh, yeah, because I feel like when I've had it before, it's more white.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
more white because the olive oil is blonde.
Yeah.
Here is the eggplant, smoked. I took the eggplants, I put them on the fire.
Okay.
You know, the real fire.
Yes. Yeah.
And they burn outside, totally.
Okay.
And when you open them, they have this smoked flavor. You know?
Yes.
It's great.
Really
You're gonna taste
tender,
this.
soft.
And has some fine chopped pepper,
Okay.
colorful peppers, some garlic. We love garlic here.
Yes,
you know?
I love. We love garlic too. We do. We
We
good.
love garlic and some onion.
Onion. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Red onion, white onion, yellow onion.
White.
White onion. Okay.
White.
Okay.
No white. And here, this is the spicy feta cream.
Oh.
It's feta. You know, feta. It's a very butter flavor. you know?
Yeah.
I like it very. It's a soft feta.
Yes.
Not the hard one. The
Okay.
soft one. And it's with smoked paprika and a little red hot chili pepper.
Okay. It looks so good.
It's like a cream, you know.
Yeah. I can
We
say
put
I've
some
never had that.
bread, we put in bread with like this.
Okay. It
It's
looks
great.
amazing.
Yeah.
They all look so good. I'm so excited.
I'm really happy that you are tasting to be destroyed. You just put over there with feta inside, maybe egg if you want to make it even stronger, but I didn't put egg.
No
today.
egg? Did you put egg wash to make it like crispy, or is that all?
Yeah, crispy. And just put it aside, on the top, here, in the surface,
Not
has
sesame.
egg. Has egg and I don't know the name of it. No.
Sumac? No, it's not
In
sesame.
English, what is it?
Those look like black sesame.
I was gonna say they look like black sesame seeds.
No, Caro, sumac is something.
Not sumac.
Not sumac. Sumac's the red one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does look like
It's,
sesame.
It
does.
I know what it is because it's in a bunch of Arab food, but I don't know the name.
Yeah, I don't know the English name actually.
What's the Greek name?
Paparounosporos.
I like that.
Papa who?
Paparona. Paparona is a flower
Okay.
that make the, you know, the heroin, you know, the drug.
Oh,
Heroin.
poppy seed.
So, I'm gonna get the high. Okay.
Drugs, we know that.
Yeah, we know drug.
Allegedly.
Start there next time. Start with drugs. We're good.
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh.
I have it a little bit in order not to get like this.
Go puff up.
Yeah. And I'll put some flour. And I will make it so it's in the olive oil. Can you imagine?
Of course. What else?
There you are.
Besides olive oil, we need it.
It's great.
I know it's gonna be so good and so fresh.
There is the salt. You have the salt over
No.
there? Oh!
10 out of 10.
I'm so trash about it. I'll tell, really, if I'm going somewhere, I'll tell Shanice.
Oh my goodness! Chef M! Chef M! Can we just take you back to America just for 1 week? 1 week,
Okay.
please.
Just for a week, okay?
Just for me. This right here.
Oh my
Just a
goodness.
second.
Ooh, the good blade.
Professional.
Yes, professional.
So this is the lamb.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. And try and cut it a little bit in order to be served more easily.
The crispiness of the skin.
Ah.
We love it.
I love it too.
What would be the setting you would say? Oh, wow.
The smell.
What would be the
Did you-
context y'all use?
Did you just get the whiff of that rosemary?
Yeah.
Cause maybe I just got the whiff.
Oh.
I'm
Perfection.
so glad I went back to eating meat before this, because this would be struggles.
Yeah. Are you recording it?
Yes, yes, absolutely. Are you kidding? I don't want to
We
forget
have it.
this.
We have it.
I love it.
Oh la la.
Yes, ooh la la is correct.
Oh la la. Oh.
Cannot wait. I know it's good. Child, I know it's good.
Is that
The
parsnip?
potatoes.
Yeah.
I got an eye. I'm gonna go full.
They're like your containers. Yep. Go ahead and just layer it. Yep. Yep. Yep.
So soft.
The smell, honey. I cannot.
Oh my god. Yes.
Wow.
Ooh, the whiff I just got. Jesus.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Oh la la.
Are you kidding? This is perfectly cooked.
Oh my god.
Yeah, just the oven, ladies. Just the oven.
It's a little more than just that.
Yeah. Be serious.
Oven and some skill sets.
Okay, so how did you cook this lamb? This leg of lamb?
Did you
is what it
brine
is?
Leg of lamb, yeah. You know, I put some mustard.
Mustard?
Mustard.
Okay. Just regular yellow mustard?
Mustard.
Here it
Oh,
is.
dry mustard.
Dry, yeah.
Okay.
Some smoked paprika,
Okay.
salt, fresh pepper, olive oil.
Of course.
Can you imagine?
Okay.
And I made it in how do you call this? This one.
Wax paper?
Parchment paper?
Parchment paper.
Wrap it. I
Okay.
wrap it for about 1.5 hours.
Okay.
After I put it, I make it out, and I let it for about an hour.
In the oven?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it will be the crispy and very soft inside.
Yeah, it looks very soft inside.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, wow. Are you impressed with yourself, Chef Anna?
Yeah, I'm really jealous.
It's taking a lot for me not to take a scrap.
I know. So badly. That crispy skin, because one thing about me, I love the skin on meat. Whatever
yeah, me
meat
too.
it
Me
is,
too. Me
I
too.
love the
I do too.
chicken,
It's so good.
turkey.
The fish, anything.
Yes, whatever has a skin, I want the
want it.
crispy skin.
And some tea.
Ooh.
God
Some
damn it.
black tea.
Yes.
Here is the
Just,
sauce.
okay, I did just take a little piece of skin.
Oh, hold on.
You think?
You put in a tea sauce on the lamb?
No, I'm kidding. Not a tea.
No.
It's a sauce.
I don't know.
It's a sauce from the lamp.
Oh yeah, drippings.
I took it
Yeah.
from there.
And then you made like a gravy.
I put some honey,
Reduction.
rosemary, reduction.
We cook.
Sous
Cook.
chef. Here's
Yes,
the sous
yes.
chef.
Okay, I just.
Rosemary, garlic, balsamico, white wine.
Okay.
And what else? And some
Olive oil.
Greek butter.
Greek.
The olive oil is here.
I did just take a piece of Chris.
She's a treacherous traitor.
Delicious.
Oh,
Oh wow.
Yeah.
come on.
Yeah.
I know that's right.
Oh. Oh.
This,
Wow.
oh my, the balsamic. I smell the balsamic. I smell it. What? This
Wow.
is unreal.
It's a nice plate, eh? We found a very nice plate, I think.
Oh my goodness. Okay, you
Doesn't have a name.
does it have a name?
Liqueur from raki with cinnamon.
Father-in-law liquor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
love it. Birthday to you. Happy birthday.